Oh.
Yes. Like this.
Is she taller than me?
You stand on this side.
Oh, there you go.
Switch over.
What's up, everybody? We're here with a special guest from the construction industry, Lauren Glazebrook with Lux Remodeling. We're gonna talk about a future project she has going on today and how she is filling a big niche in our world of remodeling contracting. All right, so walk us through the remodel process.
We're design build. So that means that we have in-house design team and engineers, and we get you from start to finish. I come in as the project manager. I sell design, I sell engineering, I sell construction.
All right, so on this project, we're gonna go inside in a second, but we're talking about new windows, new doors, exterior recoating, kitchen, a bathroom. So we have a rough idea of what the scope of work is here.
Yeah.
Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
All right. Take us over to the kitchen. Is the kitchen staying the way it is, like as far as layout, or how is it going?
Yes and no. This wall is actually going to turn into an appliance wall with the refrigerator, freezer, and the wine fridge in the middle, and they'll all be panel ready.
They'll be panel ready. That means that it'll look like a cabinet door front.
Yes.
Got it. Sink staying in the same place?
Sink staying, island staying. We got rid of the waterfall. It's not coming back.
Got it.
These uppers are all gonna be gone though, and we're gonna have our stone countertop and backsplash.
And then you'll still have the peninsula here?
Yes.
So you can look out and see the view.
Exactly, and the view is gonna be even bigger.
And then you come over here to your kind of family room?
Yes. We have the fireplace where this is existing now. We're gonna take out that cabinetry and it's gonna be a stucco plaster.
Got it. So fireplace is staying, just new
plaster.
facade. Got it.
The other major thing that's happening that no one is going to notice as anything major later on is we're switching out all the can lights from they're currently 6-inch cans to 4-inch cans. In order to do this, we have to take out all the ceilings.
Wow. So the one other major area is the master bathroom or primary bathroom. Yes. You want to walk us down there?
Yeah, let's go. Cool.
Do guys get intimidated by your construction knowledge?
I
mean, I'm not intimidated, but I'm just like,
I don't know.
You could like build a house around these guys.
I do.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's quite literally what I do. In here, so we're gonna take out all of the tile, all this metallic you're seeing. We're doing tabertine. It'll be all slabs in the tub and shower. And then we'll fix the shower because currently it doesn't, you can't open it all the way. Up here, you see there's tile in the ceiling. That's for the steam shower.
Right.
We'll have a new Mr.
And
Steam put in.
Fully enclosed in glass, obviously.
Yes. These very interesting sinks, which make it kind of scary to think about brushing your teeth. We're replacing all of this with new custom vanity and then new toilets.
Need a fresh start.
Yes.
Do you have an apple box for me? Well, honestly, you can't just start laughing. One last question.
Yeah.
Lux Remodel, is that nationwide, statewide?
We are in Southern California.
Okay.
So we are primarily based in Los Angeles. The main office was in Beverly Hills.
Okay.
We have expanded to Orange County and the South Bay.
Wow.
And now we just opened a new division in Santa Barbara. I am the South Bay territory. We have one other PM that's down here.
Okay.
And then I actually go all the way up to Santa Monica now. So I'm anything west of the 405.
Good for you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well, I'm really happy for you. This seems like
you.
an amazing job and an awesome niche. So I'm really stoked that you were willing to do this with me. And where can people follow you at?
They can follow at Lux Remodel to see all of our company projects from all of Los Angeles and Santa Barbara. And then you can follow me in my meltdowns at Built by Lauren Glazebrook.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.